Have you ever stopped to think that hydration might be the missing factor in your weight loss journey? If you're not paying attention to the amount of water you consume every day, you may be silently limiting your results. Today, we'll talk about how water can be your greatest ally in the process of losing weight, improving overall health, and speeding up your metabolism. And the best part? It's a simple and accessible solution that is often underestimated. Stay until the end to understand how small adjustments in your hydration can make a huge impact on your health and fitness goals. Water plays a crucial role in virtually every process in our body, from digestion to toxin elimination. When the body isn't properly hydrated, it starts functioning inefficiently, which directly affects metabolism. This means that if you don't drink enough water, your body won't burn calories as quickly and efficiently as it could. Additionally, lack of water can cause fluid retention, making you feel bloated and increasing your weight on the scale, even without actual fat gain. Another important point is that the body often confuses thirst with hunger, leading you to eat more than you really need. Drinking water regularly helps control these false hunger signals, promoting more controlled food intake. Have you heard that drinking water can speed up metabolism? This claim has scientific backing. Water-induced thermogenesis is a process where the body spends energy to heat the ingested water, increasing calorie expenditure. Studies show that consuming cold water can raise metabolism by up to 30% for about 30 to 40 minutes after drinking. Furthermore, water is essential for the breakdown and utilization of stored fat. When you're well hydrated, the liver and kidneys can work more efficiently, eliminating toxins and promoting more effective fat metabolism. Therefore, maintaining good hydration is a simple and direct way to optimize fat burning and weight loss. When it comes to physical activity, water is indispensable. Exercise performance is strongly affected by hydration levels. Even slight dehydration can reduce your ability to exercise, making you more prone to fatigue and performance drops. This means that if you're not well hydrated, you'll tire more quickly, limiting the intensity and duration of your workouts, ultimately harming your results. Additionally, during exercise, water loss through sweat increases, making it even more important to replace fluids to avoid cramps, dizziness, and blood pressure drops. Water also helps regulate body temperature, keeping you in optimal conditions to continue exercising longer and more efficiently. Now that you know how crucial hydration is for weight loss, the big question is, how much water should you drink per day? The most common recommendation is 2 to 3 liters per day, but this amount may vary depending on your weight, level of physical activity, and climate. A good tip is to calculate your water intake based on your weight, around 35 milliliters of water per kilogram of body weight. So if you weigh 70 kilograms, for example, you should drink about 2.45 liters of water a day. But remember, this is just an average. If you exercise intensely or live in a hot climate, your needs may be higher. Another practical way to check if you're drinking enough water is to observe the color of your urine. If it's clear, it's a good sign that your body is hydrated. Now that you understand the importance of hydration for weight loss and health, let's go over some practical tips on how to improve your daily water intake. First, always keep a water bottle nearby, whether at home, at work, or at the gym. This helps remind you to drink water throughout the day. Another tip is to add natural flavors to your water, like slices of lemon, orange, or mint leaves, if you have difficulty drinking plain water. Also, try setting intake goals, like drinking a glass of water every hour. If you have a busy routine and forget to drink water, it's worth using apps that send reminders throughout the day. And don't wait until you're thirsty to drink water. Thirst is already a sign that your body is dehydrated. There's a lot of confusion about drinking liquids during meals. Some people believe that drinking water during meals can impair digestion. However, this is not true. Water helps form the food bolus and facilitates the digestive process. What you should avoid is over-consuming liquids during meals, as this can dilute gastric juices, making digestion a bit slower. Another common myth is that coffee and tea don't count as hydration. Although these beverages contain caffeine, which has a mild diuretic effect, they still contribute to your total daily fluid intake. So, if you consume coffee or tea throughout the day, this also helps keep your body hydrated. Now that you know the essential role of hydration in the weight loss process, it's time to put these tips into practice. Remember that losing weight is not just about what you eat or how much you exercise, but also about how you take care of your body in all aspects. And hydration is a fundamental part of that. Start paying attention to the amount of water you're drinking, set goals, and notice how this can positively impact your health and results. If you liked this content, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon, and share this with someone who also needs to pay more attention to hydration. See you next time, and remember, every small change makes a big difference in your progress.